Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is resistors. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Today we have four objectives. We will define resistor, resistance, and rheostat. We will specify whether the terminals of a resistor are identical. We will name the instrument used to measure resistance of a resistor. And finally, we will identify the SI unit and the other units of resistance. As we saw in the Explore section, some components that takes electric energy as an input and transform it into another type of energy. Today, we are going to take a new component, it's called a resistor. The resistor is an electric appliance that transforms electric energy into heat energy. So it takes electric energy as an input and transforms it into heat energy as an output. The resistor has a physical quantity, it's called the resistance. Its SI unit is ohm, and it has symbol like this. This is the shape of a resistor. If we want to symbolize it in an electric circuit diagram, we can draw either this shape or this one. Now let's do an application in constructing circuit. You have to construct a circuit having the following components: a dry cell, a lamp, and a resistor. First of all, we have to draw the dry cell like this shape, then the lamp, then the resistor. Finally, we have to connect all the components by connecting wires. Now we will move to the resistance. The resistance is a measure of the ability of a resistor to resist the flow of electric current. Each resistor has a specific resistance represented as the letter R. The higher the resistance of a resistor, the larger the opposition of the current. Another type of resistors is called the rheostat. The rheostat is a resistor having a variable resistance or adjustable resistance. We can symbolize the rheostat as these shapes. The normal resistor, in the middle we have an arrow. Now let's test if the terminals of a resistor are identical or different. To do so, consider the following experiment. Connect the resistor to a dry cell and connect the C terminal of the resistor to the positive terminal of the dry cell and the D terminal to the negative terminal of the dry cell. In this circuit, the ammeters indicates 126 mA. Now reverse the connection of the resistor, so the D terminal to the positive terminal of the dry cell and the C terminal to the negative terminal of the dry cell. The ammeter still indicates 126 mA. This indicates that the terminals of the resistor are identical since the value of the current didn't change. Now we will move to the measurement of the resistance of the resistor. The resistance can be measured directly by an instrument called ohm meter. The resistance can be measured also by multimeter that's functioning as an ohm meter. The ohm meter should be connected in parallel across the terminals of the resistor. The final point in our lesson today is the units of resistance. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. It is represented by this symbol. We have many units of resistance: mega ohm, kilo ohm, ohm, and milliohm. And here's the conversion. If you want to convert from mega ohm into kilo ohm, you have to multiply by thousands. And from kilo ohm to ohm, you have also multiplied by thousands. And if you want to convert from ohm into milliohm, you have also to multiply by thousands. And in the reverse, you have to divide by 1000. Now let's do an application on the conversion of the units of resistance. The first one, 0.8621 mega ohm, we have to convert it into ohm. In this one, we have to multiply by 1 million. So 0.8621 times 1 million, it gives 862100 ohms. The second one, we have to convert 6000 milliohm into ohm. So from milliohm into ohm, we have to divide by 1000. So 6000 divided by 1000, it gives 6. The final one, we have to convert 7.35 kilo ohm into ohms. So from kilo ohms into ohms, we have to multiply by 1000. So 7.35 times 1000, it gives 7350 ohms. This is the end of our session today. If you have any questions in the worksheet, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks for watching. If you like this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more, and don't forget to click the bell to get all updates.